Hey Starseeds, welcome back. It's been such a long time and I'm finally here in my new apartment in New York City. So welcome to my apartment. Today we're going to be making black-eyed peas with a side of rice. I know it doesn't sound that exciting, but it is so simple, so delicious, packed with vitamin A and calcium, and besides, this is my mother's recipe, so I hope you guys like it. Okay guys, let's get started. So the first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna soak your black-eyed peas in water overnight. Now make sure the water is filtered water and very clean. For filtered water, I use my Berkey. In the morning, you're going to pour out the water and you're gonna rinse your black-eyed peas and make sure they're nice and clean. And then you're going to put them back into the pot with some more clean water because now it's time to cook them. So while the black-eyed peas are cooking away, you're going to make your favorite rice. Okay guys, so this is my favorite part. You're gonna take your beautiful collard greens that are packed with calcium and you're going to rinse them, and just with your hands, you're going to cut them in half, and then you're going to add them in to the black-eyed peas and close the lid. So after 35 minutes, your black-eyed peas are ready. You're going to discard the water, chop up some garlic, and now it's ready to assemble. So I'm just gonna top off my black-eyed peas and rice dish with some salt, onions and garlic, and a little bit of olive oil. Okay, a lot of olive oil. So this is a typical Greek dish, and this recipe is actually my mother's recipe. It's really, really delicious. It's nutrient dense, it's vegan, and it's really high in vitamin A and calcium. And now the reason why I'm adding olive oil to this dish is because, as you already know, if you want to absorb all of that good beta-carotene, vitamin A, you're going to have to pair it up with a good fat. So I'm using olive oil here. If you want, you can add an avocado if you like. Okay friends, thank you so much for watching once again. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed to the channel. Just around the corner, there's going to be a lot of Christmas recipes. Now that I'm settled in New York City, I can finally make regular videos for you guys, okay? So stay tuned for those, and I will see you guys next time.